So, guys, we're here to first of all see a movie about the explanation of this place we are in. So you have to watch in order to understand what went on here. All right.
You must choose where we begin the mysterious tour to discover our city's secret. The yellow route is the red route across Acre. The sea route in the footsteps of St. Paul's voyage to Acre. The Jewish route in the footsteps of Maimonides, Rabbi Moshe ben Nachman, and other great sages of Israel who worked at Acre, and many other routes. Good choice. We'll begin in your home court, the Hospitaller Fortress. The fortress is a magnificent architectural structure. It was built 900 years ago during the 12th century by the Order of Hospitallers. A hidden city, indeed. I don't think that's the way to discover its secret. Why not go with the flow? Join the group. The entrance is this way. Horse, knight. These steps were especially built to enable the knight's horses to climb up to the upper level. The Knight's Hall, the underground city. What an unbelievable world unfolds. Beneath the present-day city, a complete Crusader city was uncovered. A city that had been buried for more than 450 years. The underground city. This is a discovery on a global scale. For the study and discovery of the underground city, you are awarded your first medal. Carry on. From the hidden wonders of the underground city, you can reach the city's fortifications. For years, Old Acre served as a crossroads for trade and pilgrimage. Its residents strengthened as fortifications to stand firm against any attack from the outside. Well done, Knight. You saved the walls. Right here 200 years ago, the great General Napoleon Bonaparte failed in his attempt to conquer the city. For belonging to a long line of defenders of the city, you are awarded a second medal. There's nothing like indulging yourself with the sea breeze and a beautiful view of the bay. Old Acre is one of the few port cities in the world that have existed continuously for more than 4,000 years. It serves as an international and national trade center, as a gateway to the East, and had strategic military value that rulers of the ancient world fixed their eyes on and tried to conquer. Today, Acre is only conquered by tourists who come to enjoy themselves and admire its beauty. The upper city has a vibrant marina and promenade, offering a wide variety of restaurants. Tourists enjoy an abundance of hotels and holiday resorts. All of these make Acre an excellent exit point to the enchanting sights of the Galilee. In less than an hour, you'll find yourself in Caesarea, the Sea of Galilee, Nazareth, Rosh Hashanah, and Safed. I see that the city's welcoming spirit has caught up with you. You've managed to free yourselves from the shackles of the old world and enjoy the benefits of the modern world and advanced tourist services that Acre has to offer in abundance. With these, you are awarded an additional medal. Still searching for the secrets of the underground city? Want to experience mystery, surprise, and discovery? You'll stumble upon the Templar's Tunnel, which was only discovered in recent years. The tunnel is yet atmosphere of creativity, tolerance, and openness that characterizes Acre, you are awarded your fourth and last medal. With the 4 medals you've won, you have taught us the secret charm of a city whose adventure has only begun and whose secrets and discovery is endless. You've proved that you are worthy of enjoying the perfect Acre experience.
That was cool and dope. Wow.
Special duck from Akko. וזה גם
Thank
אחד
you
בשבילך.
very much. Here it says, the Kingdom of the Night, Secrets of Akko, Akko in the Crusader Fortress. Hi. Yeah? Travel vlogs come. Let's do this. It's a very beautiful wedding in Akko. Mazal Tov.
How are you?
Yeah, cool. Nice to meet you. Oh,
So
happy wedding
this is
for
your
you.
wife?
But anyways, guys, what's happening here is that these two beautiful couples you're seeing right now, you're getting married, and we want to wish them a very happy, beautiful, lovely married life, even though they don't really understand what I'm saying right now because they speak Arabic. But anyways, it's the same God I'm praying to. May God give you blessing in your marriage. May God make you to have more children. Yaladim, Arbe, Rutim. Okay. All right. See, look how beautiful they are. Wow, so beautiful. Let's take a picture.
Yeah. Yeah.
Take your time. Don't
ما
worry.
تحكي بلا غني غنايه حلوه. هلا يا
Yeah, the
حبيبي.
song.
Maybe this way, like
Yeah,
this.
good.
Yeah.
لا يا عمي يلا عملكم خذوا براحتكم. تسلمي. بارك الله فيك.
Okay.
تعال منين يا
Okay.
اقطع.
Yeah.
Not to be near the way.
Again.
اوه ماي جاد طلع بعض راني ايوه طلع علينا تساوي انت هتشعر
Nice. Good.